Please, 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 please. Please forgive me. That was a very stupid thing of me to say. I don't know what the hell I was thinking about, really. And it's not like me here to say things like that. Please give me a call. Let it ring a couple of times, and I'll call you back. Let's start all over. I'm going to start all over, okay? The other, just a few moments ago, did not happen. I'm awfully sorry. I'm sick about what I said, really. And of course, it was starting to say it was a thing not to be said at all. Period. So please get on the phone. I apologize. I sincerely do. Please get on the phone. Or perhaps after a few minutes, you let it ring a couple of times, and I'll give you a call right back, please. I mean that, please. I'll speak to you later. Bye-bye, babe. I'd like to make a mention before you go. I don't want you to go feeling like this. Neither do I want you to go feeling like this here. And I apologize. I'm awfully sorry. And all sincerity, I mean it. Please give me a call back. Thank you. Hello, Edith. This is me again. Say that I guess I should dilate because of my stupid and sensitive true remark, and I am very, very, very sorry.
Oh, it was very poor timing.
I know.
There's currently going on.